Let's talk about your natural gas bill. We understand this can be a complicated topic, so let's try and make it a little easier. You probably use natural gas every day without even thinking about it. But when you open your bill, does it make sense? Let's take a closer look. There are two main charges on your bill: the gas cost and the delivery charge. Usually, the biggest piece of your bill comes from how much gas you use each month. Did you barbecue a lot this summer? Maybe leave the fireplace running over the holidays. While the price of gas can rise and fall, like other commodities, we purchase natural gas on your behalf, and the costs on your bill are the same prices we paid. The other piece is the delivery charge, which includes system maintenance and upgrades to help ensure safe and reliable service to your home. A group of appointed or elected regulators, the Public Utility Commission, scrutinize all costs, including gas purchasing practices, and only allow recovery of costs that are just and reasonable for inclusion in rates. You may have also noticed that your bill changes every month. Usually, this is because of a change in usage or in the price of gas. However, there are lots of ways we can help you save money and energy. Just ask us. Still have questions? Visit us online or give us a call.